What's up guys, Learning with Rich here. In this video, we are going to create structural walls with opening. Okay, but before that, let me just quickly show you how to create a new structural wall type by modifying an existing structural wall type. Okay, so to do that, let's say for example, from the structure tab, I'm going to select here the structure wall. Click that one, and then from the type properties, these are the type that is available for you to use. So let's say for example, what you want is exterior, but the size is 300 mm. So currently we only have up to 350. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna modify the current type, and then we are going to create a new one. So I'm gonna select this exterior 250 mm concrete, and then after that I'm going to select here edit type. So click that to open up the type properties, and then from the type properties we're going to duplicate that. Okay, so duplicate. This is the standard way of creating a new type of family, not only on your walls or on your columns. It's the same on other discipline like mechanical or architectural. So this is the standard way of creating a new type of family. Okay, so after you duplicate, you change the name, 300 mm concrete, then select OK. And then as you can see here, the width is still 250 because we just copy it from the 250 mm concrete. So we're going to select your edit to modify that. So from the structure, so you can now see the thickness here. So let's change that to 300. And you can also change here the material. So I don't want the cast in place concrete. So I'm gonna click that button, and then I'll just select here simply concrete. So just click that one, and then you can also modify the graphics properties here on the right side. Okay, so after you modify, just select here OK. And select OK to close the Edit Assembly dialog box. And then from the type properties, I'm gonna modify the coarse scale fill pattern. So the pattern currently is diagonal crosshatch. So I'm gonna click that, and then I'm going to click this button. Okay, and then let's change that to concrete. Okay, so that's the pattern, and then I'll just select here OK. Alright, and then after that, just select here OK. That's it. So you now have your new type of exterior wall. That's the one. Okay, so it's now added here. Now let's say for example, you want to create an interior wall. So it's the same procedure. So let's create a new structural wall type. So let's create an interior wall. Okay, so same. So I'm gonna use one of this type. So let's say I'll just use this one, although you can use anything here. So just select one of the type, and then again go to type properties, and again let's duplicate this. Let's change the name. Let's make it interior, and the size, let's say 190. So not concrete, 190 mm concrete masonry unit, CMU. Okay, and then I'll just select here OK. And then again after that, we need to change the width here. So let's select edit, change the thickness 190. Okay, and then for the material, so let's change that one. Let's click that button to open up the material browser, and then let's look for masonry, this one, concrete masonry units, CMU. Select that one, and then after that, so as you can see, the pattern here is diagonal crosshatch. So let's select here OK, select OK again, and coarse scale fill pattern. So let's specify that. Let's click the ellipsis button, and then let's specify diagonal crosshatch pattern for that, and then select OK, and then OK. And there you have it. So you just created two basic wall family types. So we created exterior 300 concrete and the interior wall. Okay? So it's not that difficult.